Assalamu alaikum. This is Julia A. Wali from Ehan School Teachers Training Institute, batch 24, level 1. And today I'm going to review an inspiring TED talk titled How Great Leaders Inspire Action. This video is created by Simon Sinek. This talk is about leadership, motivation, success, and the simple idea of understanding why we do and what we do. Simon Sinek began his talk with a very simple but powerful question: why? According to him, successful leaders and organizations do not simply tell people what they do, they also explain why they do it. To explain this idea, Sinek introduced the Golden Circle, which has three parts: why, how, and what. What means what an organization or person does, and how means how they do it, or what makes their approach special, and why means the purpose, belief, or reason behind what they do. Sinek explains that most people communicate from the outside of the golden circle toward the inside. They usually start with what they do, then explain how they do it, and sometimes talk about why they do it. However, great leaders and inspiring organizations communicate in the opposite direction. They start with why, then move to how, and finally explain what. One of the strongest examples in this talk is Apple. Apple does not simply communicate by saying we make great computers and phones. Instead, its message focuses on the belief that people should challenge the status and think differently. After communicating this belief, Apple explains how it creates products and finally tells customers what it sells. This approach is powerful because people do not only buy a product, they also connect with the ideas and beliefs behind the product. Another important example is Martin Luther King. So Sinek explains that people did not follow Martin Luther King simply because he was a good speaker. They followed him because he communicated a powerful vision that people could believe in. His message gave people a reason to participate in a larger movement. Sinek also talks about the Wright brothers. They did not necessarily have the most money, resources, resources or advantage compared with some of other competitors. However, they they had a strong belief and a clear purpose. Their commitment to that purpose helped them continue working toward their goal. The talk also gave a contrasting example. Taiwo. Taiwo had an innovative technology and useful product, but it struggled to create the same emotional connection with customers. Sinek uses this example to show that having a good product or technology is not always enough. People need to understand and connect with the purpose behind it. One of the biggest strengths of this TED Talk is its simplicity. Simon Sinek takes a complicated subject like leadership and explains it through one easy to remember idea. Start with why. I think this message is especially useful for students and young people. We often focus on what we want to achieve, such as getting good grades, finding a good job, starting a business, or becoming successful. But sometimes we do not stop to ask ourselves why we want those things. Understanding our why can give us motivation and direction. It can also help us communicate better with other people. For me, the most important lesson from this TED Talk is that true leadership is not about giving people orders, it is about inspiring them to believe in a purpose. When people understand and believe in the why, they are more likely to take action because they genuinely want to be part of the goal. In conclusion, Simon Sinek's TED Talk is both educational and inspirational. It teaches us that successful leadership and communication are not only about explaining what we do or how we do it. So, the golden circle is a simple idea, but it can have a powerful impact. The golden circle is a simple idea, but it can have a powerful impact on leadership, business, communication, and even our personal lives. If we understand our purpose and can communicate it clearly, we can inspire people rather than simply trying to convince them. सो अब इसी टेड टॉक पे मैं अपना रिव्यू उर्दू में दूंगी। ये टेड टॉक की आदत कामयाबी और लोगों को मुतासिर करने के तरीकों के बारे में एक बहुत अहम और दिलचस्प पैगाम देता है। सिमन सिनेक अपनी गुफ्तगू का आगाज़ एक सादा लेकिन बहुत पावरफुल सवाल से करते हैं, वाई यानी क्यों। उनके मुताबिक कामयाब लोग कामयाब लोग और कामयाब इदारे सिर्फ ये नहीं बताते कि वो क्या करते हैं, बल्कि वो ये भी वाज़ेह करते हैं कि वो ऐसा क्यों करते हैं। इसी कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने के लिए सिमोन सिनेक ने गोल्डन सर्कल का मॉडल पेश किया। इसके तीन हिस्सों इसके तीन हिस्से हैं, व्हाई, हाउ और व्हाट। Thank you so much for watching my review on this video, and see you again on the same channel, The Wisdom Talk. Allah Hafiz.